This video is going to be quite relatable to you. Friends used to tell me that Diya, you will crack nurse in your fast attempt. What was my strategy, my rank, and which aims I got allotted. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Diya's Insight. In this video, I am going to share my journey from being a nursing student to a nursing officer. And video के thumbnail से आप लोगों को पता चल ही गया होगा that what was that exam I did crack in my first attempt to become a nursing officer. So for those who do not know what is NURSET exam, it's an all India based exam conducted by AIMS to recruit nursing officers in various aims across the country. This video is going to be helpful for those who are preparing for NURSET or are going to prepare for NURSET probably in your final year right now. And if you are in your final year right now, this video is going to be quite relatable to you. So we are going to break it down in two parts. First, how did I get started with my preparation? Second, what was my strategy to crack NURSET in my first attempt? Without any further delay, let's start with the first part. How did I get started with my preparation? When I was in my third year, some of my seniors did crack NURSET, and there was this hype that was going on around NURSET. And my friends used to tell me that Diya, you will crack NURSET in your first attempt. तो वहाँ से चीज़ें बिल्डअप होना स्टार्ट हुआ एंड आई डिसाइडेड दैट आई विल बी स्टार्टिंग माई प्रिपरेशन फुल फ्लेज्ड प्रिपरेशन फ्रॉम फोर्थ ईयर. बट यू नो फोर्थ ईयर में स्केड्यूल इतना टाइट होता है. यू हैव जो इंटर्नशिप दैट गोस ऑन, कम्युनिटीज होता है, थीसिस सबमिट करना होता है, अलग से एकेडमिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स होता है. एंड ऑन द टॉप ऑफ दैट आई वाज द जनरल सेक्रेटरी ऑफ TNI ओडिशा स्टेट ब्रांच. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ऑल्सो आई यूज्ड टू बी इन्वॉल्व इन अ लॉट अदर एक्टिविटीज. सो ऑल्दो मैंने सोच रखा था कि फोर्थ ईयर से प्रिपेयर करूंगी, बट आई कुड नॉट. फिर मैंने सोचा ठीक है, अब नहीं हो रहा है तो आफ्टर माई यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम आई विल स्टार्ट. बट माई यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम वाज हेल्ड अ बिट later than the usual. In fact, it was much delayed. So by the time my exam was over, it was already last of April. So April वाला जो सेशन था NURSET 6, I couldn't appear in it. So I targeted NURSET 7 September वाला session, and I had very less time in my hand, almost around 4 to 5 months. अब तो preparation शुरू करना ही था because I was already so late, but I was very confused and apprehensive about how to get started. So I spent the whole month of May in confusion. पता था कि शुरू करना है, but पता नहीं था कि कहाँ से शुरू करूँ, कैसे शुरू करूँ. Because the first thing you need to figure out before getting started with any kind of competitive exam preparation is the source. एक तो source needs to be reliable. Second, it should have all the syllabus so that you don't waste time, figuring out the missing portions of your syllabus. So finally, I decided to take suggestions from my seniors. कुछ ने बोला कि you can go with books, और कुछ ने बोला you can go with any kind of online platform subscription and you can start with the preparation. मैं फिर भी थोड़ी सी कंफ्यूज थी. सो मैंने थोड़ा सा खुद से रिव्यूज लेना स्टार्ट कर दिया. एंड वैसे तो बहुत सारी ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स है, सब अच्छे, बट आफ्टर गिविंग मच थॉट टू इट आई फाइनली डिसाइडेड टू गो विथ NNL, Nursing Next Live. It's a very user-friendly app, and the best thing about NNL, what I feel, is that they have the best faculties on board. बहुत experienced लोग हैं, and उधर आपको सब कुछ सिलेबस मिल जाता है. So towards the end of May, I took the subscription from NNL. तो अब सोर्स भी मिल गया, and I have very less time in my hand, all around 3.5 months. Yeah. So I decided to give it my best shot. And now what was my strategy? My strategy was only to focus on what was important for the exam. Because whenever you prepare yourself for any kind of competitive exam, आपको समंदर जैसे सब कुछ पढ़ के नहीं जाना होता है. You got to be a bit smart and really strategic about what all things you need to cover up for your exam. तो मैंने जो NNL का सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया था, दे मेक श्योर टाइम टू टाइम दैट दे टेल यू व्हाट आर द एग्जाम एंड ट्रेंड एनालिसिस. और मैंने खुद से भी थोड़ा सा रिव्यूज लिया प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस देख के, दैट विच सब्जेक्ट्स टू फोकस मोर ऑन, मेजर सब्जेक्ट्स क्या है, माइनर सब्जेक्ट्स क्या है, हाउ डू आई टैकल विद द नॉन नर्सिंग. And the last mantra universally is revision and practice. Because guys, the more you practice, the better you get at solving MCQs. और आप जितना ज़्यादा MCQs solve करते हो, उससे आपको पता चलता है कि what are the new updates that's coming. Because healthcare setting में बहुत सारे new updates आते हैं, especially AIMS वाले exam में they make sure कि जो भी current updates है, उससे आपको questions पूछा जाए. So after sticking to my plan for the entire period, September 15th को I appeared in my stage 1 of examination and I qualified it. This was my scorecard. फिर मैंने मेंस के लिए पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया and I qualified in मेंस as well. This was my मेंस scorecard. and I secured a seat in AIMS. So yeah, that was all about my journey. Meanwhile, guys, if you have any doubts or queries related to your studies or preparation, please let me know in my comment section. I will try my level best to help you with your queries. I will be sharing my rank and which aims I got allotted to in my next video. Thank you so much for hearing me out.